Okay. Good evening, all my dear students. Today is the last lecture of 2020, and today is also very big day for you because for SSC board exam, first step you have completed means to fill the exam form. I hope you all have cleared all the formalities of SSC board form. So, third assignment of algebra and two assignment of geometry means out of 10 assignment till today we will complete 5 assignment and all I have divided into part 1 and part 2, so the total 10 videos I have including this it will be 10 videos of first 5 assignment. The rest of 5 assignment 10 videos will remain that we will start from 4th January Monday. So let's start with this. First, problem set 3 MCQs. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2. What is the difference? So minus 6 minus plus 10 is equal to 4. So 4 is the difference and that is B answer. Then first 4 term of AP whose first term is minus 2 start with minus 2 in minus 2 difference. So it will be uh, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is C. What is the sum of first 30 numbers? 1, 2, 3, dash, 27, 28, 30. There are 30 numbers, but pair, how many pair? 15. Having 31 total, 31 total, 31 total. So 465 is the answer. That is again B. Always for MCQ, no need to substitute in formula. You can directly select. T7 is equal to 4. Difference is equal to minus 4. Find A. So T7 is equal to A plus 6D. T7 is 4. A is question minus 4. 24. This side. A is 28. The answer is D. A is 3.5. Difference is 0. When difference is 0, it is a constant series. So Tn also is exactly equal to A. So 3.5. So answer is B. AP first term are minus 3, 4 first two term. 21 we want. So T A plus 20. D. A is minus 3. Difference is 7. 137. That is C, not B. Because A is given negative. Not B. A or A. C. Difference is 5. Find T18 minus T13. T18 means what? A plus 17D. T means 13 means A plus 12D. So A plus 17D minus A minus minus plus 12D. This will cancel 29D. 29. What is D? 5 0. Put a 0. 300 less 10. 150 less 5. T18. So A plus 17. T13. A plus. Sorry, it was a mistake. So 5. Sorry. So 5 has a 25. So C is the answer. It was my mistake. Sum of first 5 multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We want the total. So this is 18, this is 18, this is 9. 9 5s are 45. So 45 is A. Sum of first term of 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, minus 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 15 minus 15, 0, 10 minus 10, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. We want this, this and this. 30, 45, 60, 70, 75. Minus 75. Direct. A answer. First one is 1 and the last one is 20. The sum of all term is 339. First term is 1, last term is 20 and SN 399. So SN is equal to n by 2 in bracket T1 plus T n. 399 is equal to n. We have to find. First is 1, last is 20. So multiply by 2. 400 less 1, 800 less 2. So 798. Divide. With 7 you can divide. 7 3s are, 7 1s are, 7 1s are, 7 4s are. With 3 also you can divide. So n is 13 and 38. Okay, so these are the MCQs. In rough work, with your calculation also you can find out. No need to substitute every time in the formula. Okay. See, for example, this I have done the total. Find the fourth term from the end. From the end, we have to find out fourth term. But first, find out this much is how much term. So Dn is equal to 49. A is equal to minus 11. Difference is minus 8 minus minus plus 11 is equal to 3. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. What is Tn? What is A? and we have to find out how much term that we don't know. Difference 3. First add this 60, then divide by 3, then add 1. So 21st, 20, 19, 80. Fourth term from the end, first, second, third, fourth term, we want T18. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. T18 is equal to A. 18, difference 3, minus 11. So minus 11. 70, these are 51 minus 11. From last, fourth last term is 40. AP, 10th term is 46. Fifth term is fifth and seventh term. Sum of fifth and seventh term is 52. Find AP. What it is given? T10 is equal to 46. T5 plus T7 is equal to 52. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1D. So T10 A plus 9D. Similarly here A plus 4D plus A plus 6D, one less, 2A plus 10D, 52, half, A plus 5D, 26, A plus 9D is equal to 46. So equation number 1, equation number 2, you have to subtract, so change the sign. 46 minus 26, 20, but bigger figure sign. A minus A 0. This is minus 4D. So D is equal to 5. Substitute D is equal to 5. Fine. It is 45. Plus how much is equal to 46? So A is equal to 46 minus 55 is equal to 1. So we got A and D both. Find 10th number. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. T 10th number. No, find AP, simple. A is what? 1. D is what? 5. So 1 plus 5n minus 5. So 5n minus 4 is equal to 3. This is the formula, standard equation of that series. Next number. Fourth is exactly same, so that I am not doing. Now 9, 7, 5, dash, nth term. 24, 21, 18 nth term. Nth term are equal. So find that. Find the value of n and nth term. In first series, a is equal to 9. In second series, a is equal to 24. In first series, d is equal to -2 decreasing. Here, -3 decreasing. By decreasing, one negative value will be the same for both. So Tn, a plus n minus 1d, a plus n minus 1d, Tn, a plus n minus 1 minus 2, Tn 24 plus n minus 1 minus 3, 9 minus 2n plus 2, 24 minus 3n plus 3. So 11 minus 2n, 27 minus 3n. Correct. Now Tn is equal to Tn. Both Tn are equal. So 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. This will come this side. So 3n minus 22n, sorry. 27 minus 11. So n is equal to 16. Now we have to find out 16th term. Both 16 terms are equal. So we will find for this. Anyone you can take. With this also you will get the same answer. A is 9, n is 16, minus 1, minus 2. 9 plus 15 minus 2, minus 30, minus 21. In both the series it will come, and that is equal. Again, it is a simultaneous equation. Next 7 number. First term is minus 5. In the last term is 45. Sum is equal to 1 to 0. How many terms? How much is the common difference? So Sn is equal to n by 2, T1, Tn. L we don't know, 120 we know. First number minus 5, last number 45. So n by 2, this is 40. 1 to 0. This you can make it half. Then 0, 0 cancel. Then half. So n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. A is equal to minus 5. Total number of terms are 6. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn is given 45. A we got n 6 minus 1. Difference we don't know. 45 minus 5 plus 5D. All divided by 5. 5 nines are 5 ones are. This goes this side, so 10. D is equal to 10. We want D in how many terms? Correct. Sum of first to n natural number is 36. Then find the value of n. 1, 2, 3, n. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket t1 plus t n. This is 33. 36. So n by 2, 1 plus n, 36 to the 72, n plus 1. So 8 nines are 72. 8 plus 1, n plus 1. So n is equal to 8. Simple. This. So by this way also you can factor. No need to go for quadratic equation always. Divide 20. Divide 207 in 3 parts such that all parts in AP, the product of two smaller parts is 4623. Let three numbers are A plus D, only A minus D. Condition 1, first number plus second number plus third number is 207. So D will cancel. 3A 207. So A is equal to 207 divided by 3. So A is equal to 69. A is equal to 69. Product of two smaller numbers. A plus D is equal to 4623. So this is 69. 69 plus D 4623. Divide this by 69. So it is 69, 67, 69. It is 69, 69 plus B. So this cancel. 69 plus D, 67. So difference is equal to minus 2. Difference is equal to minus 2. So A minus D, A plus D, A minus D. So 69 minus 2, 69, 69 minus 2. So this is minus plus, so 71, 69, 67. 67, 69, 71. These are the three numbers in a sequence. There are 37 terms in AP. The sum of three terms placed exactly at the middle is 2, 2, 5. And the sum of last three terms is 4, 2, 9. If there are total 37 number 1 to 37, remove 1, so it is 36. So 18 here, 18 here, and 19th one in middle. 18 terms 36 plus 1 37. So middle three terms is 18th term, 19th term, and 20th term. Middle three. Last three means 35th, 36th, 37th. Last three. Correct. Sum of this is 2 to 5. Sum of this is 4 to 9. Correct. So E18, E19, E20 is equal to 2 to 5. E35, E36, E37. Correct. So this is A plus 17D, A plus 18D, one less, A plus 19D is equal to 2 to 5. A, 3A. 17, 18, 19, three numbers are consecutive, so the triple number of middle it is a total 54D. All divided by 3. A plus 18D, 25 is 35. A plus 34D, A plus 35D, A plus 36D, 4, 2, 9, A, 3A, 35 is all divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 threes are. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now I will subtract. Minus, minus, minus. This will cancel. 35 minus 18, 17. Bigger figure sign. 75 less 43, 25, 68. So D is equal to 17 forza. D is 4. Substitute 4. 4, 18D, 4 less 18D, 71. Sorry, we got D is equal to D is equal to 4. So A 72, 75. So A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Now what is the question? Write AP. Write AP. A is equal to 3. D is equal to 4. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. 4. N. N is not given, sorry. D. A is 3, D is 4, sorry. This is your final answer. Ayat, how many minutes remain, beta?
Sir, less than 1 minute.
Okay. So today I think students are tired because very less today. They have filled the form, no, so they what they thought they are thinking that we are in the college. Now no need to study. But now your duty will increase, your responsibility will increase. You have to study more, you have to concentrate more, do lots of practice, and take a rest also. Keep away yourself, your eyes from the mobile screen, TV screen, computer screen. In this 10 days, no, do lots of writing practice. Bye. Thank you very much.